So, we just flew in yesterday dito sa Auckland, pero galing kami sa Brisbane, and we also did a concert in Sydney. Sobrang saya, sobrang ganda ng setup. Ay, naku, yung mga producers namin, naku, napakagaling. Punta natin ito doon sa iyo. Oo, ang lupit ko.
Thank you so much. So,
Sino ba kung promote na? Sa concert? Isang guy. Bakit ka pala to?
ang ganda ng kanta mo may love to last. Sinapanood ko yung
Yes.
Gumagawa ko ng mga reports.
Sana hindi nagkamali-mali ang reports niyo dahil sa...
Hindi naman. Hindi na lang nanonood teleserye. Wow, ganda. I'm sure na maraming magaling boys. Concert po ka. Please, this special event by Fast Production, Man on a Mission, Auckland. July 25, that's tomorrow, Friday, 6 p.m. 4 weeks at Tierra Manila. Kita-kita po tayo doon, and for sure, mag-enjoy po kayo sa magandang performance ng ating special guest all the way from the Philippines.
Also, I'm going to be with you. It's a full band setup. So, ang band natin, top musicians from the Philippines. We played together for quite some time now. And so, iba siyempre pag live music. So, I'm sure may enjoy nila.
Yeah, nakaka-inspire. I heard na very inspiring yung mga songs na pumipiro for all of us. So,
We have a lot of songs. It's really fun. And, well, the first usual song na nag-enjoy kami. And I think nag-enjoy din naman lahat ng mga tao. So, I'm sure this also will be fun as well. Sana makakami manood. Saka di ba isa when you're performing, and then yung audience mo, buhay, ang sarap nun eh. It helps any performer.
Yes, Friday, Friday is time to enjoy, right? Friday, forget about your paperwork, come to,
Kunin mo isang cellphone sa bag ko.
sa
gilid, sa bulsa.
6 o'clock in the afternoon. For sure, it's gonna be a great day for everyone. And maganda ang forecast na weather tomorrow, right? Sunny day. Right? So please come early.
Sunny and cold.
Yes.
Full of ENB.
Yes.
Full of ENB.
And also may mga meet and greet ba? After the concert. Please get your
Kuha mo
ticket.
ng short video.
I posted it. I shared it.
Video lang, please.
Yeah, this is my favorite color.
Yes.
Yes. Welcome to Kaya. So, daw ako sabi ng mga kaibigan sa person. So, thank you so much, Ian. And you know what? I have something for you.
Bago mo ibigay, may phone in question.
Phone in question.
Bakit daw man on ano yun?
Mission.
Man on a mission.
Okay, ano daw?
Man on a mission. Kasi the past few years, I've been traveling a lot, talking to, performing and talking to Filipinos all over the world. We've been to New Zealand, we've been to, Switzerland, to Milan, recently, Belfast, Hawaii, Seattle, Toronto, Vancouver, marami. Yes, the UK, Liverpool. So, I've gathered some cuentos and information from my kababayans, and I put it together, and there's a message that I want to send talaga. So that's why it's Man on a Mission. It's about us being Filipinos abroad. So
We are so proud of you, Ian. You make us feel so proud for coming here and for your willingness to share your talent and to give entertainment to a lot of people in New Zealand.
thank you so much for inviting me and accommodating us.
I'm also a director of my foundation here for the Grace and Vincent Charitable Trust, and I got a little something for you. This is the Koru. I will call you at Symbol State.
Thank you very much. Can I see you?
Yes, you will become super Ian. You know that.
Ding! Ang bako! Hindi ko nalulunod.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I know you have
After, not before, after.
A simple token of appreciation.
Thank you so much.
So, for that and all this, my mission.
Now let's talk about you.
Oh, okay.
Kasi we started and sabi ko ako maging producer.
Oh, yeah.
How long have you been here, sir?
I've been here
19
years?
years?
19
years.
Yeah.
How is it here? How do you like it?
Oh, amazing.
So it's a press con.
At first, sabi ko, it's quite boring kasi nga sobrang tahimik. Kasi siyempre sa lang sa Philippines. Masaya. Siyempre, everything is close to the forum na. Tapos, pero I enjoy it. It's really good. And the Lord has blessed me. You know, I've heard about the story of Moses and the Weaver, but I felt like the Lord has blessed me like close to the neighbors, so I can able to see the salvation. And the Lord has granted my desire of my own business, which is here, which is located in East Standard. It's been running now for 10 years, and I have a lot of kids installed. After the children, in the cities of the land, and then I also played the council member of the Vision Network Corporation for the last 10 years.
I have one more question pala.
Yes.
What's your dream for retirement? What's your ideal retirement plan?
That's a very good question. So, my dream is just to have my holiday house, of course, and also
Where is this?
in New Zealand. Kasi wala ka masyado.
Okay. Holiday house and specifically.
Yeah, I love Queenstown.
Okay.
Queenstown.
A holiday house in Queenstown.
Yes.
And?
And up and north, Bay of Island.
Oh.
Those are two of my favorite places.
Nice.
How about you?
You know, that's a good one. Kasi I haven't really thought about it. Kasi I've been telling my kids, I think retirement is just doing what you love doing. But come to think of it, parang that's what I've been doing my whole life. Just doing the stuff that I want to do. Working with the people I want to work with. For example, movies. If I want to do a role, kahit naman bayaran ako, hindi, gagawin ko yun. Because you enjoy telling stories, you enjoy, I enjoy taking on different roles, and it's for me, it's a journey of self-discovery. For example, now in music, I've loved music since I was a kid. I played piano and guitar, pero I've only had the confidence to sing starting nung dun sa Alam Ko Lang. Because they told me I was going to play the role of songwriter, and then I wasn't sure, and then they said I would have to play piano, I was sure, pero sabi nila nung kakanta, doon ako medyo pinabahan. Kasi parang nahiya lang ako. Pero, ngayon makapal na yung mukha ko. Ako yung pagkasama mo sa video, kaya kunwari ayaw ako kumanta. Hindi ako handa, pero dalang gitara. Hindi ako handa, may dalang wireless mic, diba? Tapos pag nag-start na, ayaw na tumigil. Hindi mo na mapigilan. So gano'n na. Of course, it's beautiful. Because I'm an outdoors person ever since. So, yeah, I look forward to doing whatever we can squeeze in our schedule of outdoor activities. Kasi nga, napakaganda.
And also, we also, Ian will also perform in Christchurch, right? So,
Oh, shout out sa mga taga Christchurch.
The Grange Theater.
Yes.
Christchurch. So, sana yung mga kababayan natin doon. Sana manood. They'll watch here and then Christchurch. That's good. Well, yeah, seriously, we'll make it a different show, different set of songs, and it's gonna be a different show because it's a different setup for Christchurch, I'm sure.
Thank you so much, and all the best for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yes.
And thank you for the gifts.
Oh yes, God bless you, and more power, and may the Lord continue to bless the desires of your heart.
Thank you.
Ready mo picture?
Congratulations to fans. Thank you so much for being here, and also your beautiful and amazing.
Yung dalawang extra.
Yes.
Dapat tinag mo ako, sis. Ay,
Iyan dito, yung message
ayan.
ko kanina.
So, Auckland and Christchurch po. Nandito po si Mr. Ian Veneracion. So, tomorrow po siya. Manood po kayo bukas sa Christchurch. Ayan. Ay, sa Auckland pala. And then Saturday sa Christchurch. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you po.